Maria! Ala, punin na. Nakadalawa. Nakadalawa rin siya. Wala na mo.
Kita man, iuray mo rin dyan.
No one teaching you. Huwag matsuda kaminan. Napanan na ako makuha. Plastiko ni Tita. Yeah. Why not? Mabatik na pailaw. Welcome to my heart. Buong-buo na siya do. Uy, ito. Malaki oh. Ang lalaki na sila.
Come here.
Oh, baka may snake. Yeah, baka matuklaw ako. Mamatay ako. So, yan si Babot, guys. Ay, wow! Cow. So, yan, guys. Tita, meron siyang load. Antay lang tayo sa kabila. Uy, meron na isa. Ni Mami Darna. Ayan, welcome to my house and my mother. ang sinabi ni Mama, 25.
25 daw.
Pero,
Depende.
sabi niya ata ito, no? Hindi ka na naman lang ng damit mo para maligo tayo.
₱20.
Bili kayo, pero
Guys.
nauubos na.
Wala, adobo.
Hi, Ma! Sabi mo. Yan, Mama ko.
Mga bubulan.
Hi,
Wala
guys.
darap ka lang mga bubulan. Yung araw, Doren. Ay, ni Sheila kaya man.
Okay, bye.
Wait.
Sir, because here how the name Soraida.
That is okay. You start with one.
Soraikay. Pinaka-respected. The most respected vegetable. In Tagalog, opo.
Opo. Oh. Opo.
Opo, right? And if you talk somebody in Tagalog
Opo.
one, did you eat?
Opo.
Opo. I'll ask, did you eat?
Opo.
Kumain ka na?
Opo.
Alang ang buwan, kumain ka na? Hindi. Oh, at least, oo. Oo means not respect. Because if you tell opo with respect, this is opo.
And in Tamil.
Soraikay. Soraikay.
Mm.
Ay, nako. Soraikay. Bata pa. Batang bata pa pa. Ito naman dinugo. Upo or battle pork. Maganda yung balat niya kasi manipis lang siya. Manipis lang. Pag ibenta mo to, 20 lang. Pag sa Manila to, mahal na to. Kasi kung saan, rural area. Here in our place. Rural area. So, ito muna siya guys, di ko muna siya pinata. Mamaya ko pinakat yan.
Surakai. Şimdi cucumber.
If fruits, this one is. Then this.
fresh from the garden.
Yes.
Okay, once we cook, right?
Yeah. Show you guys.
Okay. Hello guys. We have already take that ubo. Ubo. Okay. That I already included in the video. So this is a new dish. Okay, but we have already cooked this one. This I want to show you again. See here. First, actually this is upo. The upo in Tamil is faraka. Okay, they mix with the blood of the pork and also some pork meat you add. Pork meat also they will add for the taste. Same like in India we used to eat the karwad, dry fish. Same like that here they are using in this vegetable. So mix with this one and garlic they put just a little bit salt and pepper. I will mix this one. First I will taste without anything. Okay, see. Okay, with my face so that today this one cook nicely. For me this one is nice, but here people will cook half cook only because they used to eat like that. Okay, now mix the rice. The blood, that one, once it's cooked, I can feel that one taste. It's very tasty. Okay, guys, today it's a little bit this only, and I will show you on another video also. And thank you for watching, guys. And please subscribe our YouTube channel, Two Country Traveler, and also follow our Facebook page and like. It is Two Country Traveler, same name. And thank you, guys, and God bless everyone. Bye.